This is an aloe vera prepoo unlike anything you've ever seen before. So of course you want to start this recipe off with some water and one of the stars of the show, aloe vera. If you know anything about aloe vera, it is so conditioning for the hair. So you just want to grab a leaf of aloe vera and put that into your blender, blend it up so that you don't have any lumps that would just go ahead and get stuck in your hair. And of course, apple cider vinegar is one of my other favorites for reducing a dry, itchy, flaky scalp. It's super soothing on the scalp, but you don't want to add too much because it can be too acidic. Neem powder is another of my favorites for scalp health. These three ingredients are like the perfect trifecta to reducing dry, itchy, flaky scalp. Well, at least for me, it has been. Fenugreek powder is one of my favorites. It promotes hair growth, healthy hair growth, and it also reduces frizz, as you guys will see later on. I also love marshmallow root powder. It has so much slip which aids in detangling, and it is also really good for allowing you to have really bouncy, shiny hair. So you want to go ahead, mix up all the ingredients until you have a nice smooth paste. Now you don't want to go ahead and add this onto your hair. I mean, you could, but you would have a lot of particles being stuck in your hair, and that is no fun to rinse out. So I go ahead and I strain it. You can use a stocking, you can use a regular strainer. I would just really advise that you strain it so that you have a nice smooth mixture to work with. Now I have my prepoo all mixed up, and I realized that that would be entirely too messy to apply to my hair, so I ended up putting it into an applicator bottle, which made my life so much easier. As you guys could see here, we have a nice smooth consistency. I personally would dial back on how much water I put, but just play around with the ingredients or with the measurements and until you get a consistency that you like. So as I mentioned before, all of these products are super amazing for scalp health. It is going to help you to reduce dry, itchy, flaky scalp. If you have seborrheic dermatitis, trust me, you need to try this recipe. Even if you have a regular dry, flaky scalp, this recipe for your scalp is so amazing. And let me tell you, even for your hair, as I said before, aloe vera has a pH that allows your cuticles to lay flat. If you have higher porosity hair, trust me, you will love me for this. Aloe vera is going to help to close down your cuticle, and this is going to aid in moisture retention over a longer period of time. You will not regret it. I low-key use this treatment last 2 weeks and my hair has been so moisturized ever since. This is definitely going to be sticking in my regimen. I absolutely love this mixture. And like I said, doing scalp massages with this is really amazing for promoting healthy hair growth, and also it just feels really good as well. And as you guys could see, as I told you before, the marshmallow root, the slip on it is so good. And can you see the bounce back on those curls? The elasticity in your hair is going to be amazing. Ayurvedic herbs are like a godsend, honestly. And apart from the marshmallow root giving you that nice bounce back, the fenugreek powder, look at the reduction in frizz. My hair looks so defined. It is so moisturized. It is absolutely amazing. So of course you want to go ahead and leave this treatment on. Let the Ayurvedic herbs and the aloe vera and everything do what it needs to do. Work on your scalp and your hair. I left it in for an hour. And this is my hair. All I did is I rinsed out the treatment from my hair. I haven't shampooed or conditioned. But as you guys could see, the results basically speak for themselves. Like, my hair is clean. Look at my scalp, it is clean, and it was flaky before this. And I haven't used shampoo. Loki, I don't even feel like I needed to use shampoo. I did just to remove any lingering product buildup, but my scalp is clean. My hair felt clean. It felt soft, conditioned. I mean, look at this shine. That marshmallow root is really coming through to impart the luster and shine to my hair. You could see the definition, you could see how moisturized and healthy my hair looks. I mean these results speak for themselves, guys. So if you ever try out this Prepoo treatment, definitely comment down below and let me know how it works out for you. Like this video if you like this type of content, and definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye.